Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to create a game pass. Please donate on Roblox. So let's start. So first let's go to roblox.com and then we are here. Let's go to create. In my case my page is in Spanish but the same steps are in English. So let's go to create and then we are here on create. Just let's go here on the part that says creations. Now let's go to our display that says place. Just click here and then let's go to pages and then just click on create a page. Just you can change the picture here and you can write, for example, donate, and then you can add a description here and just then when you finish just create pass. Okay, and now we have created our pass on Roblox. You can add a Roblox if you want here. You can add, for example, sale, and you can add the object and put the price. For example, 500 Roblox. So just press, okay? And that's it. Well guys, I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.